Hello students, welcome to the class. In the last class I taught you the simple past tense and how to make sentences in simple past tense. Am I right? In this class now I am going to teach you the past continuous tense. Alright, so before moving to the session, let me narrate an event which was taking place at John's. Alright, so on John's birthday. Alright, so here John, Max, Jane, Mark, Bob, they were friends together, and here, as we all know, so when our birthday comes, our friends are ready to celebrate. Am I right? So, in the same way, here they planned John's birthday in a surprise. Yeah, how our friends give a surprise, right? Surprise. So, Max, Jane, Mark, Bob, they planned John's birthday. So it was John's birthday. His friends wanted to celebrate his birthday. His friends were who? Max, Jane, Bob, Mark. Right. They wanted to have a surprise birthday party. But John, at the time, what happened? But John came home late that day on his birthday. And when he came home late, he saw was this. What was happening at home? Birthday party. This is a small point. Let me tell you. I went to John. When I reached my home at 7, Max was playing the guitar. Jane was sitting on the table, eating pickles from a jar. Max was sitting at the piano, playing sonatas for Lucy. And my parrot Paul was singing all the tunes and melodies. Bob was sleeping under the table. He couldn't even stay awake. And my dog was in the kitchen eating up the birthday cake. Okay, what's happening? Just see here once again. When I reached my home at 7, Max was playing the guitar. He was playing the guitar. Jane was sitting on the table, eating pickles from a jar. Mark was sitting at the piano, playing sonatas for Lucy. And my parrot Paul was singing all the tunes and melodies. Bob was sleeping under the table. He couldn't even stay awake. And my dog was in the kitchen eating up the birthday cake. So here, in this poem, observe this. This was a birthday party. What happens when John came late? When John came home late, what happened? We'll see. We saw, right? So here in this poem, John describes the actions. What action? Max was playing, Jane was sitting, right? Paul was singing, Bob was sleeping, dog was eating up. So all this. Here, John describes the actions which were in the progress when he entered his house. Both here, when he entered his house, the actions were in the progress in the past. The actions he describes are in the form of the actions, whatever the actions are. John describes, they were in the form of how was playing, was sitting, right? And also here, what is another? Was sitting, and was singing, was sleeping, right? And was eating up. So these are actually, now you see, was playing, was sitting, right? Was singing, was sleeping, eating. So actually what happened? His birthday was his birthday cake. Sorry, right, the dog ate. His dog was eating his birthday cake when he entered. Bob was sleeping under the table. Why happened all this? Because John came home late. Understand? So that means here John describes the actions which were in the progress when he entered his house. The actions he described in the form of was playing, was sitting, was singing, was sleeping, eating. These actions, now you see, these actions had started in the past. They started in the past. When it was started, maybe he came home at 7, right? Maybe it happened at 6 p.m. maybe. 6 p.m. Right, he came at 7 p.m. So when did he come? 7 p.m. Right? 7 p.m. So John came home late. He came at 7 p.m. and it was now. So now here, so John entered his house at 7 p.m. So here it started at 6 p.m. So in 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Right, the action has started in the past, were in the progress at the time John enters the house. When John enters, Max was playing the guitar. Jane was sitting on the table and he was eating pickles. He was eating pickles from a jar. Mark was sitting at the piano and he was playing sonatas for Rosie. And here Paul was singing all the tunes and melodies. And Bob was sleeping. And here the dog was eating up the cake. Because they waited for him. And so they are all doing it. Individually they are doing something. When he entered his house, so what Max was doing? Max was playing. Jane was sitting and eating. Mark was sitting. Paul was singing all the tunes. Bob was sleeping under the table. His dog was eating the cake, birthday cake. So all these actions happened, actions in the progress. Between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. What are these? Action in the progress. That means what? Here past continuous. So what are the verbs we use here? Was we use. And play is the first form of a verb. In form. That means now you see the past continuous tense form. Subject be form. Be forms means here was the verb. Was the verb we used in past continuous form. In present continuous, what are the be forms that we use? Am, is, are. What we use? Am, is, are. There is only the difference between present continuous and past continuous is at the time of speaking, what we do, they indicate present continuous. So here, past continuous, during the period of time, what's happening? Action in the progress. It describes. What is here? What is the form? Subject, be form, was the verb plus first form of a verb plus inform plus object. This first form of a verb plus inform, what we call present participle. Present participle. This playing, sitting, playing, sleeping, eating. So all these what we call the present participles, first form. Now what is the form? Subject, be form, was the verb plus first form of a verb plus inform plus object. This is called the form of past continuous tense. And we use the past continuous tense to refer actions in the progress in the past. When do we use? Actions. When do we use? Actions in progress in the past. Actions in the progress in the past. Understand? So here the past continuous tense is formed by was the verb plus first form of a verb plus inform plus object, subject idea. Right. So actually the past continuous we use it with the combination of simple past. What is the form of simple past? Tell me. So now here, simple past tense form is simple past. Simple past tense form is subject plus second form of a verb plus object. Second form of a verb plus object. Yes sir. Second form of a verb plus object. So now here, see. So we use with the combination of past continuous and simple past. It is often used in the combination with the simple past to refer an action which stands before the action in the simple past. Got my point? Once again, it is often used. Past continuous tense is used actions in the progress in the past. Understand? So now here, it is often used in the combination with the simple past to refer to an action which started before the action in the simple past. The action in the simple past. For example, let me tell you. So who entered the home? Here, when John entered, I already told you. When John entered. Okay, now let us see here. When John gets to enter. When John entered. Enter. When John entered. Sorry. When I reached here, when I reached means who? When I reached. You see, this is subject, this is second form of verb. One's tense is simple past, and another one, all these are past continuous. When I reached my home, what were they doing? Max was playing the guitar. G-U-I-T-A-R. Max was playing guitar. Jane was sitting. Jane was eating pickles. Jane was eating pickles. Next, Paul was singing. Bob was sleeping. And the dog was eating up the cakes. Now, when John reached his home, what Max was doing? Max was playing guitar. When John reached his home, Jane was eating. When John reached his home, Paul was singing. When John reached his home, Paul was sleeping. When John reached his home, dog was eating up cake. That means what here? So we use the combination of two tenses. What are the two tenses? Simple past and past continuous. Simple past and past continuous. For example, if I say that when I went home, my mother was cooking food for me. When I went home, my mother was cooking food for me. That means actually here in past continuous we use two words. What are they? When and while. When and while. So here when and while. When and while. We use these two words in the past continuous. Here when always goes with simple past. While always goes with past continuous. It's combination. For example, when I reached my home, my mother was cooking food for me. Okay. So for example, I met with an accident while I was going on my home, on my way to home. I met with an accident while I was going home. While I was going home, while we use with past continuous, when we use with simple past. Understand? So now let us see these two words. These two words are the key words with past continuous tense. So when do we use past continuous? The past continuous tense refer to actions in progress in the past. Understand? This is the use. This is the use of past continuous. For example, Max was playing guitar. Mark was sitting. Jane was eating. Paul was singing. He was sleeping under the table. The dog was eating up the cake. All these. Right. So for example, here we can use when John reached home, Max was playing the guitar. This is what simple past. Was playing is past continuous. This is what simple past. Was eating is past continuous. This is what simple past. Was singing is past continuous. This is what simple past. Was sleeping is past continuous. This is what simple past. Was eating up is past continuous. Did you get my point? When. So for example, with while also we can use while. While. For example, while I was going home, I met with an accident. So now you see here, it is the combination of two tenses. One is past continuous, one is simple past. I met. What is the first form of met? Meet. I met is simple past. I was going home is past continuous. While I was going home, I met with an accident. I met with an accident. It's simple past. This is past continuous. And when and while we always use them in past continuous. So while I was going home, I met with an accident. So here what happens here? So these two refer an action which started before the action in the simple past. We can say that. So here I met with an accident. This was you already met with an accident. And while I was going home. So you didn't return home. Just while he was going, you met with an accident. Right? One is completed, one is incompletion. The action. So when I reached, he already reached. These actions are in progress. When John reached home, Max was playing. When John reached home, Jane was eating. When John reached home, Paul was singing. When John reached home, Bob was sleeping. Right. When John reached home, dog was eating at the cake. So this is all about past continuous tense. Right. Let us see them in the form ones. As we all know that first person, second person, and this third person. Right. I always takes was. We, you, they take one. He, she take was. That means I was sleeping. Here, sleeping. So now I was sleeping, we were sleeping, you were sleeping, they were sleeping, he was sleeping, she was sleeping, it was sleeping. Understand? So these are what we call, right? These were sleeping. And we can use many verbs. Right? Sleeping, singing, eating. So all the present participle we can use it. We can write many sentences. I was sleeping, we were eating, they were reading, they were reading. So he was working. Right? He was working. And we can use many. We working, working, and reading, reading. All these we can use in past continuous. Now let us see after this. Let us see how to make questions in past continuous tense. Now let us see the making sentences in past continuous tense. Right, in what past continuous. Positive sentence. I was sleeping. Right. So we can say I was sleeping. We here we were, we you. I was or I always takes was. You, they, we. They take were. He, she take was. So for example, he is sleeping. We were sleeping, you were sleeping, they were sleeping. He, she was sleeping, it was sleeping. Sleeping, it may be right. And here playing. Playing, you can use playing. I was playing, we were playing, they were playing, right? You were playing, and they were playing, he was playing, she was playing, it was playing. So here in this way we can make sentences. I was. When it comes to negative, wasn't or was not. So wasn't is the short form of was not, right? So weren't is the short form of were not. So now here wasn't, I was not sleeping or I wasn't sleeping. We were not sleeping or we weren't sleeping. You were not sleeping or you weren't sleeping. They were not sleeping or they weren't sleeping. He was not sleeping or he wasn't sleeping. She was not sleeping or she wasn't sleeping. It was not sleeping or it wasn't sleeping. So wasn't. So it comes like that. So for example, sleeping and playing. Playing. Here, sleeping and playing. So now interrogative yes no questions. When it comes to interrogative yes no questions, was I, we can say sleeping. Was he sleeping? Was she sleeping? Was it sleeping? Was I playing? Was he playing? Was she playing? Was it playing? That means here in interrogative we make questions with was or were. For example, when you take simple present, what is the helping verb? Do or does. Simple past, did. So present continuous, am is are. Here in past continuous, was or were. With the help of was or were, we make questions in interrogative questions, no questions in past continuous tense. Remember this. Was I sleeping? Was he sleeping? Was she sleeping? Was it sleeping? Was I playing? Was he playing? Was she playing? Was it playing? Question. Right? So for example, were we sleeping? Were we playing? Were we playing? Right. Were you playing? Were you sleeping? Right. Were they sleeping? Were they playing? So we can use this. So when it comes to negative interrogative, as you know, wasn't. Wasn't I sleeping? Wasn't I sleeping? Wasn't he sleeping? Wasn't she sleeping? Wasn't it sleeping? Wasn't I playing? Wasn't he playing? Wasn't she playing? Wasn't it playing? Weren't I sleeping? Weren't you sleeping? Weren't they sleeping? So for example, weren't we playing? Weren't we playing? Weren't you playing? Weren't they playing? So these are the negative interrogatives. So wasn't, weren't. So here also was not also can be used. Was plus here not it will be. Was I not sleeping? Was he not sleeping? Was she not sleeping? Was it not sleeping? Were here were will come here, not will come here. So were we not sleeping? Were you not sleeping? Were they not sleeping? Were we not playing? Were you not playing? Were they not playing? So in this way we can make sentences. For example, I was sleeping in the room. If I say, so what is room? It's a place. Where? So with the help of many questions, we can say, where was I sleeping? Where was he sleeping? Where was she sleeping? Where was it sleeping? Where were we sleeping? Where were you sleeping? Where were they sleeping? Playing. Where was I playing? Where was he playing? Where was she playing? Where was he playing? Where? So here where? Where double HAR. Where were you? Where were we playing? Where were you playing? Where were they playing? Question. So where we can use this. In this way we can make sentences. For example, we will see in one full sentence. One full sentence.